UMU is a simple-to-use yet sophisticated online learning platform that uses the principles of learning science to engage participants in interactive learning. Instructors and trainers can use UMU during live lectures and events. With UMU's display feature, they can engage their audience with micro-learning content items like audio slides, video, document, and article. Also, they can use interactive items like survey, attendance, Q&A, discussion, flip chart slides, and quiz. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps of setting up your UMU account to easily access and participate in your instructor's UMU-based events. First, go to umu.com or download the UMU app on your mobile device. Now click or tap on Sign Up. Enter your email address and create a password for your account. Click on Continue. Fill out your full name, company or organization's name, your country's name, and then click on Get Started Free or tap on Done. Congrats! Now you have successfully created a UMU account. Now let's learn how to participate in learning items during live lectures through UMU's display screen. You can do so directly using the UMU app or any web browser. Using the UMU app, tap on the scan icon on the upper left corner. Now align the QR code that your instructor is displaying on the screen within the frame to access and participate in the item. The second way to access is through your mobile device or computer web browser. First, enter the URL pin.umu.com. Enter the 8-digit PIN displayed on the screen and click on Join. For a faster way, you can also replace the word PIN in the URL for the 8-digit PIN when entering it. This way you can skip one step. Once you've scanned the QR code or entered the PIN, simply follow the instructions on the page to complete the item. Note that if your instructor has allowed it, you'll be able to interact with your peers after submitting in some items, such as Q&As and discussions. You'll be able to access all the interactive items you participated in during the live event, even after it ends. To do so, go on umu.com or open the UMU app on your mobile device. On the main page, click on Courses. Then click as a participant on the web browser or participating on the app. And here you will find all the courses you have participated in. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more videos.